Welcome to the STEM Spotlight, your podcast for all things STEM related. I'm your host Vignesh, and in today's episode, we'll be diving deep into the world of robotics and automation. We'll be talking about the latest advancements, applications, and future implications. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on a journey into the realm of robotics and automated systems. Robotics and automation have been transforming industries and reshaping our lives in profound ways. From manufacturing and healthcare to transportation and beyond, robots and automated systems are revolutionizing how we work, live, and interact with the world around us. One of the most significant areas of impact for robotics and automation is in manufacturing. Automated assembly lines, powered by robotic arms and advanced machine learning algorithms, have enabled mass production with unprecedented speed, precision, and efficiency. These technologies have not only boosted productivity, but also opened up new possibilities for customization and flexibility in the manufacturing process. But the influence of robotics and automation extends far beyond the factory floor. In healthcare, robots are playing increasingly vital roles, from assisting surgeons in delicate procedures to providing companionship and support to patients in hospital and care facilities. Robotic exoskeletons are helping individuals with mobility impairments regain independence and mobility. Telepresence robots are bridging the gap between patients and healthcare providers, especially in remote or underserved areas. Transportation is another sector experiencing a seismic shift due to robotics and automation. Autonomous vehicles equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence algorithms are poised to revolutionize the way we travel and communicate. From self-driving cars and trucks to drones for delivery and surveillance, these technologies hold the promise of more safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly transportation systems. Beyond these traditional industries, robotics and automation are also making inroads into areas such as agriculture, construction, and even entertainment. Agricultural robots are transforming farming practices, increasing yields, and reducing the need for manual labor, which will save costs. Construction robots are revolutionizing the way we build, enabling for more faster and cost-effective construction of structures. In entertainment, robots are captivating audiences with their performances in theme parks, theaters, or even as companions in households. Furthermore, the hospitality and service industry is experiencing a wave of automation and robotics automation. Hotels are employing robotic concierges and room service delivery robots to enhance guest experiences and streamline operations. Restaurants are utilizing robotic chefs and automated kitchen systems to improve efficiency and consistency in food preparation. Even customer service is being augmented by chatbots and virtual assistants, providing the round-the-clock support and personalized interactions for them. Space exploration is yet another field where robotics plays a critical role. From rovers exploring the surface of Mars to satellites and probes venturing into the depths of space, robots are instrumental in gathering data, conducting experiments, and paving the way for human exploration beyond Earth. With advancements in robotics technology, we're poised to unlock new frontiers in our understanding of the universe and our place in it. In addition to their practical applications, robotics and automation also have significant implications for education and research. Robotics education programs are becoming increasingly popular in schools and universities, providing students with hands-on experience in programming, engineering, and problem-solving. These initiatives not only help prepare the next generation of innovators and technologists, but also foster creativity and critical thinking skills, essential for success in the digital age. Moreover, the field of robotics research is driving advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and human-robot interactions. Researchers are exploring new algorithms and techniques to improve robot perception, decision-making, and adaptability in complex environments. Breakthroughs in soft robotics, bio-inspired design, and swarm intelligence are expanding the capabilities and potential implications and applications of robotic systems, paving the way for future innovations in fields ranging from healthcare into space exploration. Additionally, robotics and automation are playing a crucial role in disaster response and mitigation efforts. Robots equipped with sensors and cameras can navigate hazardous environments such as collapsed buildings or nuclear facilities to search for survivors or assess damage without risking for excess human loss of life. These robotic systems enhance the safety of rescue workers and increase efficiency of emergency response operations, ultimately saving lives in critical situations. Furthermore, the integration of robotics and automation with renewable energy technologies is driving advancements in sustainability and environmental production. Robots are used in the maintenance and inspection of renewable energy infrastructure, such as wind turbines and solar panels, to improve efficiency and reliability. Additionally, automated systems are employed in the monitoring and management of energy consumption, helping optimize resource usage and reduce carbon emissions in the pursuit of a greener future. However, as we embrace the opportunities presented by robotics and automation, it's essential to address the ethical and social implications of these technologies. Discussions surrounding the issues of privacy, job displacement, and algorithmic bias are crucial for ensuring that robotics and automation serve the common good and promote human well-being. By fostering dialogue between collaborators among stakeholders, we can shape a future where robotics and automated systems contribute positively to society while respecting human values and rights. And that wraps up this episode of the STEMS Blog. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of robotic automation and gained valuable insights into the transformative power of these technologies. Be sure to tune in next time for more in-depth discussions on the latest trends and developments in the world of robotics. Until then, keep dreaming, innovating, and embrace the robotic future. This is Vignesh, signing off.